reality is about to change.
Pretty cool, right? Now let's break down every single effect and recreate them step by step inside Filmora. I have these two images on the timeline, and honestly, they look pretty simple. In situations like this, most people head straight to the Transitions tab and apply a random transition, which usually gives the video an outdated and boring look. Instead, let's use AI to create a much more impressive, seamless transition. Click on the AI transition section. You'll find plenty of interesting presets here, and you can also explore the VFX category. For this example, I'll search for camera work. Before applying any transition, double-click it to preview the animation. As you can see, this handheld whip pan looks amazing, but I'll choose stylish camera work instead. Simply drag it between the two clips. Filmora will first analyze the last frame of the first clip and the first frame of the next clip. Make sure you've accepted the required terms. Otherwise, the generated video will include a watermark. Simply click Generate. You'll need to wait a few seconds while the AI processes everything. And boom! Our transition is ready. You can see how it seamlessly connects these two simple images in a much more creative way. Add a suitable sound effect and you'll achieve an even more cinematic result, just like you saw in the preview. Now let's move to titles. Normally, we drag a regular title onto the timeline and customize it manually. But this time, click on the AI text. There are so many creative and impressive presets here that would take a long time to recreate from scratch. All you need to do is preview the presets, pick the one you like, and drag it onto the timeline. I'll choose Redline Graffiti Chrome. You'll see an interface like this. Simply replace the default text, choose your preferred aspect ratio. I'll keep it at 16:9 and click Generate. Wait just a few seconds and boom! Our AI title is ready. You can make it even more creative by adding suitable sound effects, just like you saw in the opening preview. This time, I have a video clip on the timeline. I'll go to the last frame, capture a screenshot, and place it at the end of the timeline, keeping its duration at around 5 seconds. Now go to Effects, then open AI Effects and search for Inferno Grip. This effect lets you create a realistic VFX fire-on-hand effect with nothing more than drag and drop. Apply it to the screenshot, click Generate, and wait for the AI to finish processing. Alright, the effect has been applied. Now check out the preview. As you can see, the fire blends seamlessly with the subject and looks really cool. Pair it with the right sound effects and the result becomes even more cinematic. For the final example, I have another video clip. Just like before, I'll capture its last frame and place the screenshot at the end of the timeline. Go to Effects, then open Special Effects. As you can see, effects like these can also be created with just a few clicks. This time, I'll apply Thunder Awakening. Simply drag it onto the screenshot, click Generate, and wait a few moments while the AI finishes processing. And there we go! The effect is ready. Just look at the preview. You can enhance it even further by adding suitable thunder sound effects, just like you saw in the opening preview. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and be sure to check out my previous awesome Filmora tutorials.